Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the Physicians Formula Butter Collection palette. So if you want to see what's in this palette and how it works, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, we're going to test out this bad boy. I got mine at Walmart. I don't know where all it is sold. It is limited edition. I have mine in the shade light to medium, and it comes with a bronzer, a bronzer, a blush, and then 2 highlighters, and then eau de toilette, or however the hell you say it. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. So it comes with this tiny little guy, and this retails for, I believe, $11.99 if I remember right. I couldn't find it on any website, but I know I bought mine at Walmart. So let's go ahead and jump into this. As you know, I'm in the same shirt as last video because I filmed them all in one day. Let's go ahead and start using this. So I do have the original butter bronzer, and it actually is slightly darker than this. Not by much, but it is a little darker. So if that one was a little too dark for you, this is lighter. So we're gonna go ahead and use the bronzer. And I have been testing this out for probably 4 to 5 days now, so I do know how it works with alone, with different products, with, you know. So we'll talk about that. So one of my favorite things to do with bronzer is be really sloppy. And then I go in and clean it all up later. Just because with my skin, if I focus in one area too much, the redness from underneath comes out regardless of what foundation, what powder. It pretty much always happens. So I just go sloppily, so that I'm not focused in one area too much, and I just kind of lightly buff it everywhere, so then I just go clean it up later. And that helps so that I don't have my redness come back up. Can you guys hear the rain pouring out? That's the bronzer. So we're gonna go in with the blush, which it just says blush in natural glow. So it is like a corally pink color. It's more coral. And then if you look close, which you guys aren't gonna be able to see, there is like a gold shimmer in it. Put that on. And I do like that it's really subtle for like the coral part of it. You can build it up and make it intense, but it's really subtle. And then I like the light, like golden shimmer to it. Okay. So now here is where I calm down the crazy. So I just take a yellow powder, which I'm just using my Park Avenue Princess one. And then I just go and clean it up. So clean up underneath. And then I clean here to highlight, and then I lightly go over, like I don't tap it back in, but I lightly just tap over to clean up. But I don't go like directly from the pan straight onto it, because then it's gonna just muddy it up and take your color. So there is that. Now I'm not gonna lie, I have never tried the highlighters. I've swatched them and forgot how buttery they are, and so I kind of messed it up by doing that, but so be careful, they are extremely buttery. So one is highlighter in Full Moon and one is highlighter in Galactic. Let me swatch them for you. So here are the 2 colors. One is like a yellow greenish gold, and then another one is like a really intense pink. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but they're very reflective. I actually have already seen somebody else do a video on this palette, and they said that they liked it when they mixed it together. So I'm actually gonna do that because I feel like on their own they're not very wearable for me. They're kind of like a more festive, crazy-ish one, which is good if you're going to a festival, but I'm not. So I'm gonna try just mixing the 2 colors and see what we get. Ooh. Okay. Actually, I do like the mixed. By themselves, there's no way I could do it. Ooh. Jeez. They're very pigmented. So that's them. Wow. Okay, so those are extremely pigmented, so be careful if you don't like a lot of highlight. Don't do this too intense. Okay, so my final thoughts on this product is I do think it's a really nice product, especially for the dollar amount. I wish it wasn't limited edition. Obviously, I love the butter formula regardless of if it's in this palette or if you buy them all separate. I think the butter collection is really nice, and it is nice that you get the little fragrance of what the products smell like. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.